Hello everyone, what's up there? Today I'm gonna show you a short review of this plastic rolling storage cart by Jiuyotree. I recently purchased this item and it's a good one. This storage cart has plastic trays and it comes with steel pipe holder. It's a good one, it's metal. It comes also with 4 wheels and has a lock. It comes also with 3 plastic caps that can be placed anywhere you want and a handle at the top. I assembled this storage cart very easily. Anyone can do it. And this storage cart is very portable, very lightweight, can be placed anywhere you want, like kitchen, bathroom or living room. Overall, I recommend this to everyone who is planning to buy. This is very affordable price for the item. And I give this a 5-star review. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.